Well, so far I'm seeing a lot of BMWs. We're kind of passing through the import Euro section first, but yeah, the 535 that I'm hoping to get some injectors off of, it's been here for about 6 days already, so we're gonna find out really quickly how busy this junkyard is and how many Euro owners there are in the or how many N54 owners there are in the Tampa area, because this is the Tampa LKQ. So we got to find row 57 and hopefully we'll get some good parts. Got a couple of twin E92s here. I'm probably gonna stop and look for some parts on these when we come back around this side, but got some radios in there, some sport steering wheels, nice black interior. We'll come back around though. And up here I see an E60, although I'm not sure if this is the 535 or not. Let's see. No, this is not the 535 one. The 535 one is right here. And of course, the motor is gone. Dang, that's really too bad. I was hoping to get some parts off of it. MSD 81 is gone as well. Even the interior's almost been cleaned out. Someone took the seat here. They didn't need the other seat, I guess. And it's an LCI interior, which is pretty nice. So we may have came out to this junkyard for nothing. That's really too bad. Now I'm just free roaming basically, and got a 528i here. Looks like the M52 TU. Don't see anything interesting. I'm just basically now at this point, I'm just like, if anything catches my eye that might be worth grabbing, I think I'll grab it. But otherwise, I'm not sure that there's much here for us. There's another junkyard here in the Tampa area though. I forget, I think it's like Clearwater or Bradenton or one of those, and they actually have a 7 series, which would be pretty cool to get those door handles off that I told you. That one has been in the junkyard for just a couple of days, so I'm sure that it still has plenty of parts on it, and there aren't that many, I would think not that many E39, E38 owners in this area, but I could be wrong. So at least we could go to that junkyard and get those parts. But now let's head back to the E92 twins and let's see what kind of parts they have on those. So let's see what is behind door number 1. Got a gray interior, probably a girl's car. Look at the bejeweled, bedazzled marks on here. That's pretty funny. Probably a daddy's girl was driving this car. Didn't really care about the interior though, because this thing is disgusting. And headliner sagging, pretty cool. Oh, it looks like the aluminum trim. That's a pretty cool trim package. Some people like that. See what's inside this notebook here. Body gear, HP, health points, backpack spells. It looks like somebody was playing some video games and smoking in the car at the same time. Let's see what's behind door number 2. Black interior. It's another coupe. This one's actually all-wheel drive, which is pretty cool. If you need one of these, I guess you could probably, I don't even think they'd charge you for one of these things if you wanted a USB charger. Got some glasses, probably stolen. Dirty glove box. Pretty bad condition, these cars. I wonder if they were just sitting in the junkyard for so long. I mean, realistically though, if you needed a radio, this car would have one. They really only charge like, I think 20 or 30 bucks for a radio, and these things, they cost a good penny on eBay. Oh, this one's got a cool trim package actually. Look at this one. It's got that, I don't know, do you guys know the name for this trim package? It's like wood, but kind of like darker colored. This E39 actually, this is its first day at the junkyard, and oh nice. This trim is actually not too bad condition in here. Look at that. That looks good. I like the shift knob too. The premium shift knob. Looks like a full interior set. Might be able to grab that off of this car. I'm waiting to find a rear sunshade retrofit one of these days. I don't even have a sedan, but I would definitely pull it off and try to sell it to someone. Let's see if we've got the key in this car. No key. Sometimes they'll leave the key in the car so you can open up stuff, but I guess we're not going to be able to get access to the trunk here. There we go. I pulled it all out of the car here, all this beautiful trim. It just looks like a shade darker than the stuff I have in my M5 wagon. And the main trim panel in my M5 is also cracked, which is something that you see all the time. But somehow this one looks really good. And I think if we were to polish all these up, they'd look even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy these. I'll let you know how much they cost when we get out of here. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the remaining BMWs that they have in the junkyard before we get out of this place. Oh, well, hey, I almost didn't recognize it, but check out this 335. You know it's a 335 because it's got the vacuum canisters and this power steering reservoir bracket, which I need. Well, I want it. I don't exactly need it, but I do want to figure out a way to get this to mount to make it look OEM. And this bracket right here, I feel like, you know, we could grab it, but it's not as much of a necessity. This is definitely something that I want to grab. So I'll pull out my 10 millimeter, see if we can unbolt this and pull it off.
Eventually.
All right, we got this bracket here. Go ahead and add this to my hand pile. So now let's see if there's any more BMWs and then we'll head out of this place. All right, so for this haul, it was $66 for all this trim set and then for the miscellaneous bracket that they put right here. So not a bad deal. I see the trim sets going for maybe around $100. More or less, depending on what shade it is. But I can't wait to try this in my M5 wagon because I think it's gonna really be a nice finishing touch. All right, so that was honestly kind of a bummer that we weren't able to get those N54 injectors that I came out here expecting to get. I mean, really, that's why I made the drive out here. But what we're gonna do now is we're heading out to the Largo LKQ location, which is like another 30-minute drive from where we're at in Tampa right now. And I'm going there only because they have a 2010 LCI E90 with a whole front end that looks really good. Actually, the whole body from what I could see in the pictures. And the car was just inputted to the junkyard today. So it should have fresh parts. Although, you know, there are plenty of people who go to the junkyards on a daily basis and they try to make money off of pulling parts from cars and selling them on, you know, Craigslist, eBay, or whatever like that. So we're gonna find out if someone's already taken those headlights off. I mean, it's only 10 a.m. so that the junkyard's been open for just an hour now. So as long as no one's come to get the headlights, I wanna definitely grab those. They're beautiful LCI headlights. So I'll update you guys once we get to the junkyard, and wish me luck. All right, we're looking for row number 48, which has all the fresh BMWs from this morning. And judging by their sign-in sheet, looks like about 20 people have already been here today. So let's see if we get lucky. Maybe we can get some headlights, and if not, we can just enjoy the BMWs. Well, that's unfortunate. Looks like we were too slow this morning, guys. An hour and a half. And this car has already probably been picked clean. It's got a good interior, good center console. That's nice. I don't need it, but oh man, that's pretty disappointing, guys. I was hoping to get the headlights. In the trunk, it's an LCI trunk. Not sure what they did to the tail lights though. It looks like maybe they painted them. Well, that's too bad, folks. No headlights for me today, I guess. But right by the car is actually this 7 Series. It's got handles in it. Well, it should have handles unless someone's already came and pulled them off. Let's see. There you go, illuminated door handles, because this is a 2000 model car. It says it right there. And if you wanted illuminated door handles, they only came from 1999 to 2001. Pretty nice door handles there. I'm wondering if I should pull them off. I'm gonna have to check the pricing again and see. But maybe if I do pull them off, you guys hit me up. Looks like we got all 4 of them, so it might be worth it to grab them, and one of you guys could be retrofitting these in your car very soon. Here's another fresh kill from this morning. It looks like the headlights might be good, but I don't need them for a project, maybe just to resell them. All right, I pulled those headlights off. They're OEM, just a little bit of it looks like they were someone tried to clear these and now the clear coat's peeling off. So we should be able to buff these out, make them look perfect. And then I went ahead and pulled all the illuminated door handles. So these will be up on my site as well as the headlights. I might just put those on Facebook, but if you guys need them and you want me to ship them out to you, let me know, because obviously I don't need these. But I think there's just a couple more cars. I can see a E46 all the way over there, and on the same row there should be another E90. We'll go take a look at those really quickly and then head out of here and see how much we paid for all this stuff. Oh man, look at this, another E46 with factory xenon facelift headlights, and I'm already holding these in my hands here, but I'm wondering if I should just grab these as well, because they are OEM. They might be worth a good penny, as just as much as these would be, but instead of buying just one pair, I'd have two pair. My hands are getting a little tired, that's for sure.
Moments later.
All right, so our total here at this junkyard where we just got the headlights and the door handles was $135. So total for today, $66, $135, about $200 that we spent at the junkyard. But hopefully between the handles and the headlights, we'll be able to sell those and recuperate some money to pay for the gas, the trip, the expenses today. And we did get some nice trim for the M5 wagon, as well as that bracket for the power steering on the 335, which we needed. So that's gonna conclude our video for today. I still have to get home and edit this video and upload it for today because I'm a little behind on some of the work in the garage. Really, I want to get started on that 335 wagon, but I'm just struggling to find a good deal on injectors. I found someone else on Facebook who I might be able to get injectors from this weekend, so hopefully on Sunday you'll be seeing a video of me getting the car running on all 6 cylinders. But for now, go ahead and drop a like down below, comment your favorite part about this video, and subscribe to the channel if you're new and you haven't yet. Hope everyone has an awesome day today, and we'll see you next time.